Good morning students, welcome back to Sharda Maths channel. Now in this video I am posting the Eamcet integration. This is the class number 2. Okay, let us start the class. The first problem, integral cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 power 5 into dx. The options are given like that: 2 by 3 into cosecant x by 2 plus secant x by 2 whole cube, 2 by 3 into cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole cube, 2 by 3 into sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 power minus 3, minus 2 by 3 into sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 power minus 3. Okay, let us start the solution. So first write the question here. Integral cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 power 5. So in the first step, I am writing the cos x formula here. Once here, these are the submultiple angles, x by 2, x by 2. This is the cos x. So what we have to do in the first step, simply convert the cos x as the submultiple angle. Means here, take the formula cos x is equals to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Okay, this is the submultiple angle formula for the cos x. So write the first step like that here. Cos x is equals to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 by this value. Now in the next step, write this cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Understand? That is, this is in the form of the a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So these two are in the form of the a plus b into a minus b. Now here cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 is cancelled by 4 times. Okay. Denominator is the power 5. Cut this value and in the denominator becomes the power 4. Okay. This is cancelled here. Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 power 4. Okay. Now this is equals to. So here just simply I am applying the value 2 and 1 by 2 like that. Okay. So here to this value now I apply the 2 1 by 2 power like that. 2 1 by 2 value like that. 2 into 1 by 2. What is the remaining value of the numerator? Cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Now I am writing the denominator value as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 power minus 4. Understand all of you? So here the numerator remaining value is equal to cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Now I am writing this denominator value at the numerator by taking the negative power. This plus 4 becomes the minus 4. Okay. Before that, I apply the 2 and 1 by 2 value is also like that. Now, what is the reason to apply that value like that? Once check here. So, here we have the function like that. Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 power minus 4. Okay. Now, I'm just consider this value as the f of x power n. Okay. Integral f of x power n. So suppose if we have the value f dash of x like that, then you can apply the formula to this one to get the integration answer. For that reason, I applied here 1 by 2 to this value like that. Once check here, what is the derivative of the cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2? What is cos x by 2 derivative? Cos x derivative minus sin x, that is cos x by 2 derivative minus sin x by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay. Plus what is sin x by 2 derivative? Sin x by 2 derivative is equals to cos x by 2 into again x by 2 derivative 1 by 2. Now here take the 1 by 2 common here from these two terms. Then what you get? 1 by 2 into cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Okay. After taking the 1 by 2 common, what you get? 1 by 2 of the cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. So this is nothing but the derivative of this part here. So this value is nothing but this one. 1 by 2 of cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Means here you have the value, the derivative of this function is this value. 1 by 2 into cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 is nothing but cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 derivative. Okay, this part derivative. So finally this value becomes here integral f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. Okay, so this term is in this form. What is f of x here? Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. What is n value? Minus 4. What is f dash of x? 1 by 2 into cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Okay, now apply the formula. What is the answer to this one? F of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, the answer to this formula is f of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So what is f of x value? Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. So this becomes cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 power n is equal to minus 4. Minus 4 plus 1, minus 3 by minus 3. So finally you get the answer as, so this is equals to minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 into cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 power minus 3 plus c. That is nothing but the last option. Understand all of you? Very easy question. The first step is here. Write the cos x as the cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. And this is a plus b into a minus b. The numerator value is cancelled here. So the denominator becomes the power 4. In the next step, writing this value at the numerator by writing the minus 4 power. And after that, apply 2 1 by 2 to this term integration like that. Now finally this becomes in the form of the f of x power n into f dash of x, which is nothing but the f of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So the final answer becomes minus 2 by 3 into sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 power minus 3. That is nothing but the last option. Understand all of you? Very easy question. Okay, see the next problem. The question is integral 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x into dx. Dead easy question. Very easy. So direct formula. What is the formula for the 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x cos 2x? So the question becomes integral cos 2x into dx. Okay. Simply write the formula of the 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x in the given question. So this is equal to cos 2x. So the question becomes integral cos 2x. What is cos 2x integration? Cos x integration sin x. That is cos 2x integration sin 2x. But here x quotient is equal to 2 means write the by 2 here to the answer like that. So the answer becomes sin 2x by 2 plus c. That is nothing but the first option. That's all. Very easy question. Simply apply the 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x formula, that is equal to cos x in the question, then directly take the integration to get the answer. Okay. Okay, see the next problem. The question is integral 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. Okay. So here also first write the formulas of the 1 minus cos 2x and 1 plus cos 2x. Okay. See here. What is 1 minus cos 2x formula? 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. Okay. 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. And what is 1 plus cos 2x formula? 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. Now replace the two formulas here. 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x and 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. Now cut the 2 here. Remaining values are sin square x by cos square x, that is equal to tan square x. Okay. Now you have to take the integration. For that, what is tan square x? I am writing the tan square x as the secant square x minus 1. Why? Because there is no direct integration for this tan square x. For that reason, writing this tan square as the secant square x minus 1. Now take the integrations. What is secant square x integration? Tan x. What is 1 integration? X. That is the answer becomes tan x minus 6 plus c. Okay, the answer is equal to tan x minus 6 plus c, and that is nothing but the second option. That's all. This is the answer. Understand all of you? It is also very easy question. Okay, I will continue the remaining sums in the next video. Until then, keep watching. Bye bye.